How to fix iPhone charging not available liquid detected error. So if you want to fix your iPhone charging not available liquid detected error, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply clean your charging port. You need to take a cotton swab and then just clean your charging port. Or you can also go with your hair dryer or any dryer and it will drain out the liquid. Or you can keep your phone in a slanting position to drain out the water. It will be drained in 1 or 2 hours. If something doesn't work out this way, then what you'll do is switch off your phone. You need to go and turn it off. After turning off, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Google or your browser. Go with Fix My Speakers, and this website will come up. You need to go with fixmyspeakers.com. You need to scroll down a bit, and then you need to click or tap the button above to activate the blower. And it will activate your blower. Through this, all the water that has gone into your body of your device will come out. Just leave it running for about 1 or 2 minutes, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.